Do you ever feel that your past is still controlling your present? Maybe a mistake, a betrayal, or a heartbreak, and you still cannot get over with it. It just keeps on replaying it in your mind, no matter how much time has passed. But that pain, that memory still lingers upon you. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you a very powerful healing that technique that combines release and forgiveness. I'm very sure that by the end of this video, you're going to feel much lighter, calmer, and you will be more at peace. So, this moment might be a moment of peace from where your healing can begin, your healing journey can begin. Hi, beautiful souls. My name is Krish, a Reiki healer and practitioner, and your manifestation coach. I make videos around manifestation, visualization, tips and technique around manifestation that are tried and tested by me, and videos around energy alignment. So make sure you like, follow, share, and subscribe my channel. So many years back, there was a time that I could not just let go of some painful memories of from my past. So I used to carry that heavy backpack every single day. Life was going normally, सब कुछ normal था. Like I was doing my daily stuff. Everything was going very normally. But sometime, some incidents just triggered that painful memories. Okay, वो आ जाता है, suddenly आता है कि अरे यार मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हो गया था, right? And then we just go into that loop कि यार गलत हुआ. I just can't. तो I was knowing that forgiveness is the key. करोगे अगर आप वो पर्सन को, वो सिचुएशन को, एवरीथिंग, it's going to get okay. But somehow I resisted that because I felt that forgiving that person would be like कि वो जो हुआ उससे मैं okay हूँ, which I was not, right? So um, for a very long time frame I could not let it go and forgive that particular person. But when I came to know that forgiveness is not about forgiving some other person, it's actually about forgiving yourself and making yourself free from that pain, everything changed. Forgiveness actually is forgiving yourself. क्योंकि जिस बंदे ने या बंदी ने आपके साथ गलत करना था वो कर लिया, ठीक है, वो तो आगे बढ़ गया, वो भूल गया सब कुछ. बट आप अपने मन को, अपने आप को वो इंसिडेंट को ट्रिगर कर करके आप अपने आप को जो हर्ट कर रहे हो, ठीक है, वो चीज से आपको फ्री होना है. एक्चुअली में उस चीज से फ्री होना है. यू हैव टू फॉरगिव योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. सो व्हेन आई डिड दैट, everything changed. And that is the gift that I want to share with you guys today. So, first of all, it is important for us to know that why do we hold on to that pain? See, our subconscious mind keeps replaying that old memories as a way of trying to tell us that they're protecting us. But in real, it keeps us trapped inside a loop, and holding on to that rage, anger, resentment is like drinking poison and we expect that the other person should suffer. But ऐसा नहीं होता है. Forgiveness is not something that we can forget or we can give an excuse to something, but it's for ourselves, that you refuse, that I refuse to believe that this particular incident or person can control us anymore, and we choose peace over that pain. Okay, so before we jump over to the technique that I was telling you, find a quiet place. Sit, कहीं भी बैठ जाइए आप, बहुत शांत जगह पे जहाँ पे आपको कोई डिस्टर्ब ना करे, because you first have to calm your mind. आपको एकदम थोड़ा सा breath work कर लीजिए चाहे तो, inhale and exhale, so that breath works will help you to calm your nervous system. आपको जो outer noise है उसको calm down कर देगा, आपके मन को शांत कर देगा, and it will bring into your awareness. Now the first step is awareness. Now gently bring that old painful memories जिसके कारण से आप एकदम हेवी फील कर रहे थे, उसको लाइए, फोर्स मत कीजिए. जस्ट जेंटली अलाउ दैट थिंग्स दैट इज कमिंग टू योर माइंड, allow it to play it in your mind. Okay, now first of all realize it, acknowledge it without any kind of judgment. कोई उसको जज मत करिए, क्यों हुआ है, कैसे हुआ है, नहीं. बस जेंटली उस मेमोरी को फ्लो करने दीजिए, आने दीजिए अपने जहन में, एंड एक्सेप्ट कीजिए, एक्नॉलेज कीजिए कि हाँ ऐसा हुआ था. नाउ सेकेंड थिंग इज प्ले इट लाइक अ मूवी. डोंट विजुअलाइज इट, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व इट. उसको विजुअलाइज मत कीजिए, ऑब्जर्व इट लाइक एन एक्टर. उसको अपने स्क्रीन के सामने फ्लो होने दीजिए, आने दीजिए, आपके आंखों के सामने वो चीज़ को रिप्ले होने दीजिए और आप उस चीज़ को सिर्फ देखिए. आप वो मेमोरी के अंदर नहीं है, यू आर नो लॉन्गर इनसाइड दैट मेमोरी, यू आर जस्ट एन ऑब्जर्वर फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. नाउ bring that particular person or the situation into your mind and gently place your hand on your heart and say that I release you from my system, I forgive you and I set you free. And अगर ये memory आपके बारे में है, that you are feeling guilt or some kind of shame on yourself, just say that I forgive myself, I release the past, I choose compassion for me. Remember, forgiveness is not about them. It's about yourself. Freeing from pain, setting yourself free. Now, imagine placing that particular memory into a balloon या box. उसमें वो आपने वो मेमोरी को, वो फिल्म को उसमें डाल दिया है, एंड दैट लेट दैट बलून, जाने दीजिए उस बलून को, या जस्ट विजुअलाइज दैट वो बॉक्स में आपने वो मेमोरी डाल दी है एंड वो बॉक्स में आपने फायर लगा दिया है, बर्न कर दिया है, एंड वो सब मेमोरीज बर्न हो चुकी है. एंड फील दैट एट एवरी ब्रेथ some kind of weight is lifting from your body. You're feeling much lighter, calmer, and more at peace. And now imagine, जैसे जैसे वो मेमोरी आपकी बॉडी से रिलीज हो रही है, आपके अंदर वो जगह फील कर रहा है, गोल्डन लाइट. It has completely healed you. It has completely cleansed you. So remember, forgiveness is a gift that you can give it to yourself. Your past does not define you. Every time you forgive, you create a space of joy, love, and abundance into your life. Please like this video, share it with your friends and families, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.